Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing the Air Canada Crj-200 in the old livery from Gemini Jets. Now, taking a look at the box here, you have your typical Gemini Jets box with the logos on the front and the information pamphlet on the inside here. On the back, you can see copyright 2017. So this model was likely released right when Air Canada got its new livery, or just a little bit after. Notice the new Air Canada titling on it, so I believe this model was released after Air Canada got the new livery. But yeah, so let's get into this now. The reason I got this model was for a few reasons. Number one, they still operate this aircraft, so I'll still be able to use it in airport updates. They have some retired ones of these in Calgary, which will be nice to put in the background with some of my other retired aircraft, like some of my other Jazz airplanes. And I would like to start growing my Air Canada Toothpaste livery collection. I do have several Air Canada Toothpaste aircraft, but I'd like to get more so I could do a kind of retro update with them. Maybe an update like 2010, 2009 from when I would have been younger, like maybe 6 years old. So yeah, definitely glad to get this, and let's take a closer look at this. So now let's take a closer look at the model. Starting from the front, here you have the Star Alliance logo. Here you have the Air Canada Express titles. This is actually my first old livery Air Canada Express aircraft. Here you have the toothpaste colors all across the wings and winglets here, along with the registration on this model, which is Charlie Golf Kilo Foxtrot Romeo. Now, I think that Gemini Jets has a very good rendition of the Air Canada old livery. It definitely looks a little bit darker on camera, but looking at it with your own eyes, it's definitely clear that they have a great rendition of the toothpaste colors. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to collecting more of these toothpaste aircraft. Hope to get the Q400, 777, 787, A330, and some A320 family aircraft. Because I already have the E190, the 767. Yeah, when I started getting heavier into collecting in about like 2019, I was only collecting Air Canada new livery aircraft, because before that, I just wasn't collecting as much. I started collecting in 2017, but I would only get like 1 or 2 models a year up until 2019. And then here we have my new livery Air Canada Crj-200 for reference. So there you go. There's a look at that. Now, when it comes to a rating for this model, the livery, in my opinion, is a 9 out of 10, just because I think the Air Canada Express titling could be a little thin, but that's it. Otherwise, the printing and detailing on this model is immaculate. I think they've done a very good job on this. And then when it comes to the mold, I'm also going to give it an 8 out of 10. This is an incredibly good mold for its size. No rolling land gear or antennas, but that's to be expected with a model this small. But yeah, really, Gemini Jets has done a great job on their Crj-200 molds, and the nose could be, I think, could be improved upon just a little bit, but other than that, yeah, I think it's a solid 8 out of 10 there. So I'm going to give this model an 8 out of 10 in total. Definitely glad to add this to my collection, and hope to add more planes like it in the future. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.